everyone, I am Ruchita. I am from Warangal. I have completed Master of Computer Applications in 2022. My friend suggested me to join in this institute. I have joined in the month of August. Coming to this institute, it's a really very good institute in Hyderabad, and I'm really blessed to have like Vivek sir, Prashant sir, Afroz sir and Pavan sir. They're always guided me and supported me. And when I joined in this institute, I have improved my communication skills, technical skills and everything. I highly recommend to join in this institute. And once again, thank you JSpiders Punjagutta.